I'm actually using Osmo Action. So I had to do action.
This is DJI's Osmo Action cam. It's their first ever action cam, 4K video. It's got 12 megapixel camera. It can handle being up to 36 feet in the water without a special case. It's dust resistant. It's got really simple button action, so I can just quick select the kind of shots I want to do. It's small, so it goes anywhere. It's got that screen on the front here, which is for the selfie shot, so I can always see what I'm shooting.
Are you coming this way? You staying there?
So first I'm like shooting it to be like this.
It's nice camera.
Hey Osmo, switch screens. Hey Osmo, take a photo.
So that's what you call action. It's a pretty cool device, a lot of fun, more to come.